Hi, friends. You just listened to the story of a little engine that could. Now I'm going to ask you to think about some goals that you might have for yourself. And thanks to the crafty chick, we have this really cute worksheet for your goals. It says, my goals for this year. One new thing I want to try. If I wrote down one new thing I'd want to try, I want to try and write in calligraphy handwriting. Number 2 says 2 ways to serve others. I would like to help the veterans and I would like to help students with disabilities. 3 says 3 things I want to learn. I would like to learn more about technology. I would like to learn how to help others from afar. And I would like to learn how to crochet. 4 says 4 things I want to get better at. I definitely want to get better at organizing. I want to get better at planning my day. I'd like to get better at cooking. And I would like to get better at saving some money. And the last one says 2 places I want to go. I really want to go to the beach. And I would like to take a vacation and go camping. So, as you can see, it's pretty easy. But those are my goals for this year. Now, what are your goals?